And now your weather with meteorologist Gino Recchia.
Temperatures are back up into the mid-40s today, about 10 degrees warmer than yesterday where we had highs in the mid-30s. Started off nice and sunny, but then the clouds started to build in here, and that was ahead of what we're seeing right now as in the form of rain. Even had some sleet pellets move in this afternoon. You saw a few sprinkles on our tower cam. Temperatures right now are down to 41. We've got a very breezy southeast wind at 26 miles per hour. Our sunset was at 4:25. Up into the upper 30s and in the Northwoods, we've got upper 30s and lower to mid 40s across the Fox Valley and right along the lakeshore as well. Winds coming in out of the lakeside areas out southeast at about 10 to 25 miles per hour, even some sustained winds at 30 miles per hour right now. And because of those winds coming in off the lake, we've got that lakeshore flood advisory from Manitowoc, Kewaunee, Door, and Menominee counties. However, winds are going to start to change direction as a cold front moves in overnight tonight, and you'll see how the wind arrows change between about 3 and 4 o'clock in the morning. The winds turn out of the west and they remain breezy all day, gusts upwards of 40 to 50 miles per hour. And because of this, we've got that wind advisory that starts tomorrow morning. It continues all the way until late tomorrow evening after we see the backside of the storm move out. Now, ahead of it, we've got rainfall moving in and could even have some embedded thunderstorms as we have the overnight period to deal with. Down towards the south, there's even some severe weather going on over the Ozarks. There's an area of low pressure that's moving up to the northeast, and you see a large area of scattered to overspreading rain showers that are starting to become more widespread. There's a risk of severe weather down to the south. As for us, we're just under a general thunderstorm outlook, so could have some embedded thunderstorms and hear a couple rumbles of thunder overnight tonight. The rain showers and embedded storms will continue into the early morning hours. And then as we wake up towards daybreak, we'll have some cold air wrap in. Could have a few wet flakes mix in with some of the remaining moisture. The cloud cover will stick around for most of the day. Then as we get into late tomorrow night, that's when we do start to see the skies clear out. Rainfall totals, it's going to be a pretty decent amount, between a ½ inch to near an inch of rainfall. Now, just a couple days ago, we had about over an inch of rain. We normally average over 2 inches, so with this additional amount of rainfall, we could certainly be exceeding over 2 inches and perhaps over the monthly average for November. So for tonight, we'll drop down to 35. Southeast winds turning out of the west, 10 to 20 miles per hour. Then for tomorrow, we'll get up to 37. Now, keep in mind, once a cold front moves in, temperature high for tomorrow will likely be at midnight tonight, and then those temperatures continue to drop down afterwards. We'll see a high of 38 on Monday. Could have another weak disturbance moving into the afternoon, a couple rain and snow showers. 34 on Tuesday, a couple days of dry weather as high pressure builds in here. And then afterwards, we do start to warm things up back up into the mid-50s by Thursday.
Starting to feel like November. Thanks, Gino.